Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The price of gasoline is to rise to a 3.5-year high tomorrow. That's as Petrojam announced it will hike the price of a litre of gasoline by 93 cents. The price of regular diesel and low sulfur diesel increased by $1.89. Kerosene will cost $2.25 more, but propane is down $1 while butane declines by 31 cents. Oil prices finished lower on Wednesday. Oil for delivery in May shed 87 cents to settle at $64.38 a barrel. That's down 1.2% since the start of the week. Port Royal could receive its first cruise ship within the next 12 months. A team from the Carnival Corporation toured the area earlier this week along with government officials. Speaking at the RGR News Forum, Deputy General Manager at the UDC, Heather Pinnock, said Carnival Corporation, which was involved in the construction of the Falmouth cruise ship pier, will also be involved in building out a cruise ship pier in Port Royal.
We expect to see the first cruise ship arriving in Port Royal.
Speaking...
Prof, the PAJ has established that they intend to have the first ship come in the first quarter of 2019.
Right.
So it will be ready
for
then. Yes.
Yes.
Meanwhile, General Manager at the UDC, Dr. Damian Graham, said the development of the cruise ship pier is part of an overall plan to redevelop Port Royal.
The experience will have to be enhanced, where you have the appropriate streetscape, the sewage and infrastructure to take the increased number of visitors that will come in. The town also needs restoration to its former day when it was the 55 acre that was Port Royal, being a burgeoning city. So we are going to be carrying out that work in conjunction with the development of the berth that is there.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $126.07. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $98.20. The pound sterling costs $177.21, while the euro is going for $156.63. 15 small social enterprises are expected to get a jump start as the Social Enterprise Boost Initiative, SEBI, recently launched its Power Up series. The Power Up series, a business accelerator program, is a follow-up to the incubator program SEBI had a few years ago. It provides startup assistance for entrepreneurs of social enterprises. Entrepreneurs like Blake Widmer of Def Can Coffee says that program helped his operation significantly.
SEBI has dramatically changed a lot of what we do internally and has really put wind in our sails and allowed us to dream big dreams. We've traveled internationally. Our guys have been several places in the US and Canada and training and learning from the best. And then as they learn that, they come back and they share that with their peers.
Now, SEBI's leadership development representative for the accelerator program, Opal White, says the new 8-month program will guide these small operators through the transformation from project
Focusing
to a permanent
mainly
organization.
on, business operation, business strategy, getting the right kinds of people in the businesses, and also how to finance the growth of those enterprises.
The JSE index lost more than 1,686 points today, while the junior market index gained 23. Stocks posting gains included Barita Investments, Caribbean Producers, Fosrich, ISP Finance, JMMB Group, Knutsford Express, Proven Investments, and Supreme Ventures. Now on the losing end were AMG Packaging and Paper, Carreras, General Accident, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Mayberry Investments, Paramount Trading, Scotia Group, and Wisynco Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.